Welcome to 219 Ambling Circle. This cute 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a 1-car garage, laminate hardwood flooring, as well as tile throughout inside, and a fenced backyard. It's located on a corner lot in the Whitehall II subdivision in the Harbison area of Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to I-26, Harbison amenities, as well as Lake Murray, and just a quick drive to either Irmo or downtown Columbia. So we're out front. You can see the home is sort of on a curved corner lot as you come around the bend here. You have some mature trees on the lot, 1-car wide driveway leading up to the 1-car garage, walkway going up to the front door here as well. You can see you have a covered front entry, you have a step up, and some tile on the outside of the entry. And then as you step inside, you notice the laminate hardwood flooring, and that continues throughout the property with the exception of the bathrooms, which have tile flooring. I believe the kitchen as well, possibly. We'll see that when we get around. But you can see you have off the entry, a nice sized living room with the vaulted ceilings. Just a view back towards the front door here, and in the corner behind the door we do have a coat closet. But a ceiling fan in the living room. You also do have a wood burning fireplace there as well as double doors here to the backyard, French doors to the back. You have a 2-tiered wood deck out back as well, and the backyard itself is privacy fenced. And then step back inside. Again, you can see just the view towards the living room. And then off of the living room, you have a dining area with a nice sort of bay window shaped area looking out towards the back. So some nice windows there. And that vaulting does continue. There's sort of a ledge up there as well where you could possibly put some decorative items or something if you like, or if you can access it. The kitchen is sort of a really wide galley style kind of open kitchen. You have beautiful tile flooring in here that's been updated. You also have included appliances, electric stove, smooth top, as well as the dishwasher and side-by-side fridge. And then you have a pantry here on the left side, as well as an eat-in dining area sort of at the front facing out. And then you also have the laundry closet in here as well, full-size washer and dryer connections in there, as well as some shelving. And then access to the 1-car garage. Have a vehicle parked inside for scale. It's a smaller, medium-sized SUV, just to give you an idea of the space. So it's a pretty good length, and there's a few feet behind the vehicle as well until you get to the wall. There's an attic pull down in the garage as well, which will have some storage up there also. And then we'll come around to this side. So sort of a semi-split floor plan with the master here. And you have a slight vault in the ceiling and the master ceiling fan. Master faces the rear of the property, so out to the backyard. And of course you have a walk-in closet in here, as well as private bath with tile flooring, different tile than in the kitchen. You have double vanities in here, as well as medicine cabinets sort of against that wall. And then you have your garden style shower and tub with tile and a nice arch window above that as well. So a nice sized bathroom in the master. And then back out in the remainder of the bedrooms and bathrooms are on the front end of the home on this side. So you have one of those 2 secondary bedrooms here, also with the ceiling fan. And the closet's just behind a standard door in the corner here. And then bedroom number 3 does have the nice arch ceilings and that additional arch detailing above the window, looking out towards the front. And then last but not least, your second full bathroom. Single vanity and a shower and tub in here. So that completes our tour of this home, 219 Ambling Circle in Northwest Columbia, the Harbison area. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.